Okay, what I'm gonna do is with this valve cover off, I've got a clatter I can't find. I found it with the stethoscope to be on the driver's side. I'm gonna start the engine. I've got a rag underneath to keep the oil from squirting everywhere, and I'm gonna go cylinder by cylinder and disconnect the power to the fuel injectors. And if I've got a bad fuel injector, something won't change. So if it changes, then that one's good. If there's no change, that might be the bad one. So let's give it a try.
Do I want to keep recording?
Yeah. It's gonna start quick. Tell a difference? No. I think I can. Try that. I could definitely tell a difference on that one, couldn't you? Alright, let's try the third one. I don't think I can tell a difference on that one. I tried the other one before I put the camera on, so I know it's good. Definitely. I think it's that second one from the front. But I can't be sure. You try it with these. It's not obviously definitive. I'm gonna go online and see if there's other ways I can test for it. Go ahead and shut it off.